So there are a number of fall designs that are going to do extremely well this year, and if you're only looking for the bestsellers badge to be the main indicator of how you prepare for seasons, you might be missing out on a ton of products. So in today's video, I just want to share with you some of the top trending products that's going to do extremely well this fall season, and how to take that design and focus on a micro niche that could explode your Etsy sales moving forward. I want to share this all with you coming up next. So welcome back to the video, my friends. You're new here, my name is Jay. On this channel, I teach you how to make income online by creating and selling your own products. So if you like content like this, then consider subscribing to my channel. Now, one of the ways we can make this business as passive as possible is utilizing a print-on-demand service like Printify. This is where Printify would take your orders and your designs and actually ship them out to your customer. And this really makes it easy because the only thing that we need to focus on as Etsy sellers is creating high demanding products. And once we get an order, again, Printify would take care of all the printing and shipping out to our customers. And there are a lot of different products we can sell, just not t-shirts and sweatshirts, but you can do things like mugs, tumblers, socks, hats, tote bags, just to name a few. Now, if you want to get started with Printify on your own, you can start absolutely for free, but Printify was so kind to give my audience a discount code to utilize their Printify premium version 30 days absolutely for free. This allows you to get a major discount on all products sold, therefore keeping more money in your pocket in the long run by utilizing the Printify premium version. Now, I make sure I leave all the details in my description box below if you want to check this out on your own and to see if it is best for your print-on-demand business. So when I jump into Etsy and just search up our very basic search phrase, which is going to be fall t-shirt, we can see here that there are a lot of badges on these products, but the badges that we see are not necessarily best sellers, but it is the badge called popular nouns. And this is Etsy's way of letting us know that this product is gaining sales, and the more sales it gets, it's going to turn over into a bestsellers badge. But we can get ahead of the market by targeting these designs that are obviously having a badge of popular nouns. We can learn from them and redesign them in a micro niche that can take our designs even further. So again, if you're looking just for bestsellers, you may not see them. However, going in a little bit further, understanding what popular now means, again, it's gaining sales in the last month or so, we know we can jump on this top trend, redesign this in our own unique way, and actually gain more sales with the micro niche. And if I go and open up some of these products that, again, do not have bestseller badges, but are holding the popular now badge, we can see that even though they may not have that bestsellers badge here, they still have some great indicators. I love to see this red on the right hand side because that means there are a lot of people interacting with this product. And I can go down a little bit further and actually prove this product has done well in the peak season, being that it is a fall type t-shirt. One of the indicators we can see to let us know this product has done well is just by going down to the bottom and seeing how many reviews for this particular listing here. And we can see this has received 849 reviews. Now, in my summation, it takes between 5 to 7 purchases for one review to be left on average. So you can just imagine how many sales this one listing has received. And again, because it is a seasonal product, that means that we may not necessarily see that bestsellers badge when we're trying to prepare for these top seasons. Again, the bestsellers badge takes into account how many sales a product has received in the last 6 months. And so if we're doing our research and it's in that last 6 months of this product not necessarily gaining sales, that's not going to be visible for us. And you could be missing out on a lot of high demanding, high targeted products that we can start redesigning for micro niches and start gaining sales. And again, this product here, 849 reviews just for this listing alone. And this is not the only product that has done well. This design here, where it says funnels, pumpkins, and bonfires, again, no bestsellers badge here. We don't see any indicators of that, but we do see some red on the right hand side, which is a great indicator for seasonal products. And when I go down to the bottom, this has received 97 reviews just for this individual listing. But as you can see, there's a lot that we can learn from these designs here that, again, may not have the bestsellers badge, but they are carrying a lot of data for us to redesign and recreate products in our own unique way. So with that being said, I want to share with you designs for the fall season that I think will do extremely well for you coming up this fall, and how you can redesign that to actually sell to a micro niche. Now, again, when we're focusing on a particular season like fall, as you can see here, it's typical for someone to look for a bestsellers badge. But as you can see, most of these products I put up for us do not necessarily have the bestsellers badge. However, However, that does not mean these products are not doing well. Being that this is a seasonal product, the bestsellers badge takes into account the sales in the last 6 months. There's no one really buying these type of products. However, if you go down a little bit further, you can see that this product has received 168 reviews in a lifetime of listing. We know this has done extremely well with sales. Just like this product here doesn't necessarily have a bestsellers badge, but if I go down a little bit further, it has received 110 reviews. All right, so now that we have an idea of what type of products are selling well, let's go ahead and jump into our design software, see if we can take some of these top trending design elements and create a teacher fall t-shirt design or sweatshirt design we can start selling on our Etsy shop. All right, so before we get to my design, if you are struggling with finding the best presets in Canva for your Printify projects, I have created the Printify print sizes for Canva. That means you will get the best print quality for everything you create, and I have all the major type of print on demand products that you are going to most likely create, and I give you that preset so you know exactly what to put into Canva to get the best quality designs. If you want to check this out, then make sure you check out my link down below. All right, so we went ahead and utilized the Canva settings perfect for a print on demand t-shirt with Printify. And again, we followed along the track of the top selling listings, and we definitely want to create, as we saw before, a teacher t-shirt within the fall niche. So we added in a couple designs here. One thing we know to work well with anything teacher related is that if we have popular phrases on here with popular design styles, we know this is going to do well. So here is the t-shirt that we have created. It says, "I teach the cutest pumpkins in the patch." That is a popular phrase doing well. And then we grabbed over some AI designed pumpkins to add to our unique design space here. Now, if you do want to check out all of my AI prompts, I create daily AI prompts for you to create amazing products within seconds. And so if you want to check out that as well, I'll make sure I leave that in my description box below. Now, we also created a different variation because I believe you should have just not one style of design, but another style as well. So I went down a little bit further and created some unique design styles here. This polka dot pumpkin style, again, utilizing the same phrase, "I teach the cutest pumpkins in the patch," but bringing in different elements here like the butterflies in the pumpkin style here that I think would do extremely well. I created another style version with the text just to make it pop on different color t-shirts. So here's the end results that we have here. We have that one version where it says, "I teach the cutest pumpkins in the patch," utilizing those AI designs here that I think came out extremely well. And then we scroll down a little bit further and we added in this unique design style here, that polka dot style for the t-shirt, but then added in those different colors here that I think came out extremely well for our design. I am a strong believer that you should always create things for a dark color t-shirt or sweatshirt. So in our case today, we created this style here for our darker color t-shirt design. As you can see, just changed up the colors here. And then we brought in that same type of style here, just utilizing some white text in our colors. But I think these came out extremely well. Again, creating these designs based upon the popular design styles in the fall niche, but going in a little bit further to the micro niche and focusing on a teacher t-shirt in the fall area, I think is a great place for you to start creating and designing these type of products. Now, if you want to get a full tutorial of how I actually created these designs, let me know down below. I can walk you through exactly how to do this step by step so you can start recreating these yourself. Now, with that being said, we want to go ahead and download this as a PNG. So I want to head over to download here. And I want to select this as a PNG because I want to use this as a design for my sweatshirt and t-shirt. So I want to set this to be a transparent background. And for all the designs I created, and maybe you have created some as well and you have multiple, you can select all of them here or just select the individual files that you have the designs for. And so we'll select just a few here for our design area, and then we will head over to download. And now we have a file we can upload to our Printify account that we can upload to our designs, either be a t-shirt or a sweatshirt. All right, so here we are in Printify, and we're going to go ahead and upload our design to our t-shirt, which we're going to follow the Bella Plus Canvas 3001 series shirt here. And we can go down and pick a particular print on demand provider just by choosing manually. In our case today, we'll just go to choose manually here, and we'll select Monster Digital. We can see all the information here, and this is what I mean by you're able to save a lot of money when you are moving over to Printify Premium, as this is $11.49 $9.42 for the shirt itself, but with Printify Premium, you'll be get it at $9.13, keeping more profit in your pocket in the long run. Here's the shipping information as well as the production time and the size offered, along with the colors and where this is actually being shipped out from. If everything is good here, we'll go ahead and start designing. And now we have this space to upload our shirt here, and I can drag and drop over my first design. And if I want to change the color of the shirt, I can go to select variation. I can go down and select a darker color if I want. If I want to do dark Heather gray, I have the option here. And say if I want to do black as well, that color is there for me to choose also. So that being said, I'll stick with the dark Heather gray that we have here. And now our t-shirt is done. I can preview this. And this is how our t-shirt is going to be printed out. I think this is going to come out great for our customer. And if everything good here, we can save this and upload this to our Etsy account. And here is another example of a product you can sell as well. We can select the woman's sweatshirt Gildan 18,000 series here. And we can see the price. Again, it is starting off at $6.56, but we can utilize Printify Premium to get it at a major discount, $12.18. So I can go ahead and get started here. And the same thing as we did before, I can go ahead and choose manually. I'm going to just stick with Monster Digital here, and we see all the information with this product here. I will start designing. And I will upload my second design to this sweatshirt here. Simply drag and drop my design over that we created in Canva. And I have my design here that came out extremely well. And same thing as we did before, if I want to choose a different variation of a color, I can do that as well. One of the popular colors we know to work well is this sand type color here. I can head over to preview and see how this will come out, and I think that will come out amazing for our design. We can also see how this looks in white, which I think is another great color to sell also. And again, every single color pops extremely well, and I think this is a fantastic design for us to start creating and selling for our Etsy shop. So as you can see, there are a lot of opportunities for us to find amazing products to sell, target these micro niches, and start getting things in place right now so that our products can be visible for purchase. Now, if you're new to anything Print on Demand or Etsy, I have created a full free Etsy course where I share with you step by step how to get started launching your Etsy shop and how to get started getting your first sales so that you know the system it takes for you to generate some real sales online. If you want to check out my free course, check out my link down below and subscribe to my channel to learn more about how to make income online with Etsy. As always, my friends, my name is Jay, and I will see you in the next video.